Everybody has found loose change like pennies, nickels, and dimes, dropped by accident. You can keep it or leave it. It doesn't really matter what you do with those small amounts of money. On the other hand, say you found hundreds of dollars. Well, now it matters what you do with it. You could be like, today's my lucky day, or you could turn it over to the police. Either way, you need to turn it over to the police. Even though you might not want to sometimes, a law requires you to turn the money you find to the police. If you don't do so, you could be charged with theft. One time, my principal said a teacher gave him her Pokemon. While he was looking through them, he found a very valuable card. He wondered if he should keep it or give it back. He chose to give it back to her. You might be like, why would you do that? He chose to give it back because he would want her to do the same for him. It is dishonest to keep money you find because you're keeping someone else's money without their permission. You could think of it as finders keepers, but once again, you could be charged with theft. It is polite to turn in money you find to the police. If you find money lying around, it's nice to ask other people around you if they dropped it. It is also nice to, if you find something like $20, you could give it to charity or use it for a good cause. For you people that at the beginning you said you should keep the money you find, and so far I have said nothing to support that, here is your chance. If you have tried every reasonable way there is to try and return the money, then you can keep it. Every state has a law that states that a person is required to return the money if it is possible to identify who the owner is, especially if the money comes in a wallet, because usually wallets have an ID inside. All in all, I think we should follow my principal's lead and the laws and not keep money we find. I think teachers should provide a program about why you shouldn't keep money you find to help kids more in everyday life.